Start with question number 4 of exercise 6.2. In this question, it is said that find the sum of A part is 137 and minus of 354. Students, here we have to find the sum. Here and means we have to put a positive sign, that is the sign of addition in between the given integers. So our statement becomes 137 plus of minus 354. Now again we are going to apply the rules of addition. 137 is positive and 354 is a negative integer over here because it has a negative sign in front of it. So plus minus is minus, that means we are going to do the operation of subtraction. Or simply you can write 137 plus minus is minus. So if you subtract 137 and 354, the answer is 217. But yes, at the end you have to keep in mind the sign of the answer. Here out of 137 and 354, 354 has a greater value. But there is a negative sign in front of 354, so the sign in the answer will be minus 217. The answers depend upon, the sign of the answer depends upon the number which has a greater value without looking into the sign. Like out of 354 and 137, 354 was greater, and afterwards we have to see that if it is greater, which sign is there in front of it. So 354 was having a negative sign in front of it, so the answer is also coming out to be negative. Similarly, for the B part we have to find the sum of minus 52 and 52. This is very interesting question. Minus 52, I am keeping it in bracket because it is a negative integer, and means plus 52. Now children, we have one negative integer, other is a positive integer. So minus plus is minus, that is subtraction is to be done. So if without looking into the sign, if I subtract them, 52 and subtraction of 52 is 0. Now 0 is neither positive nor negative integer, so we won't put any sign in front of 0. So the answer is simply 0 over here. In papers also you are not going to put any sign in front of 0. Let's continue with question number 4, C part. Now children, here we have 3 integers that is to be added. Now let us see how to add when 3 integers are given to us. So first of all, I'll change this statement into mathematical form. Minus 312 in a bracket plus 39 plus of 192. Now this question can be done in so many ways. You can have a different way of doing this question, but at the end the answer should be the same. Like here, first of all, I am going to connect the first 2 integers. Or what you can do is, first of all, you can have the integers with the same sign and do the operation on them. It's up to you how you are going to solve it. Here I am going to take a pair of first 2 given integers. Now the first integer is negative and the second integer is positive because there is no sign. This sign is for the addition. You know that minus plus is minus, that means we are going to subtract them. So when I am going to subtract 312 and 39, it is 273. But we have to keep it in mind about the sign in this answer. As 312 is greater than 39, so we have a negative sign before 273. Now the leftover integer is plus 192. Again, now it has become simple. We have to subtract or add the 2 given integers according to their signs. Minus plus is minus, that means subtraction is to be done. The operation of subtraction is to be performed. So when I subtract 273 and 192, the answer is coming out to be 81. But yes, as 273 is greater than in value than 192 and 273 is having a negative sign in front, so the answer at the whole is minus 81. Now children, you can perform this question in other way also. The second way is, if I take the positive integers first and then do the operation, then also the answer will be the same. Let us see how. Over here, I am keeping aside minus 312 and going to first take a pair of 39 and 192. Now this is simply, we have to add these integers. If you add 192 and 39, then your answer is coming out to be 231. With the minus 50, minus 200 and 300, we are going to add all these three integers. So first of all, let us make a statement of it. Minus 50 plus of minus 200 plus of 300. Now again, I am going to collect the first two integers. Now the first two integers both are negative, and when both integers are negative, we are going to have the operation of addition. Minus minus is plus. So when I am going to add, the answer is 250 with the negative sign because 200 is greater and having a negative sign in between, in front of it, sorry. Plus 300 is left. Now again we have two simple numbers. Minus plus is minus, that means we are going to subtract them, and when we are going to subtract them, the answer is 50, but we have to keep it in mind the sign of the answer. Out of 250 and 300, 300 is greater and 300 is a positive integer over here. So the answer will be plus 50. I hope this question is clear to you, how to add the integers